In front of me is Motorola Edge 70, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Safety and Emergency available here. Now tap on Emergency Contacts, and before doing anything, hit Change Settings in this tiny text at the bottom, because here you need to make sure Show When Locked is enabled. Without it, your contacts won't be accessible from locked screen. So this switcher should be blue. Now you can go back, hit Add Contact and tap on the one you wanna set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To remove any of them from the list, not from your Motorola, use those three dots next to the chosen one and hit Remove. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wanna change order of your contacts on the list, click on the same three dots and pick Move Up or Move Down. So now, when I go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe to hit Emergency Call, I can tap on this blue button and check out that my contact was successfully added. In your case, all of yours will be accessible, but because I have fake numbers to record those videos, only one that seems legit is listed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!